Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel. After a long interval of time since I post video, little bit of health issues, I am struggling a lot, but today I decided why not do some creative videos. As we have gone through plenty of videos on FastAPI, such as introduction to FastAPI, then FastAPI with DuckDB, different analysis graph, then FastAPI with Streamlit, then query operation with FastAPI with DuckDB, then CURD operation with FastAPI CURD operation using DuckDB with FastAPI, then FastAPI with Pandas, then face detection using FastAPI and face recognition using FastAPI. Today's video is really creative and interesting, so please watch till the end. It is about FastAPI connection with React.js, which everyone wants. So let us go through the program first. First of all, we will go through the backend part, that is main.py. So here FastAPI modules need to be installed. Then this is URL of React.js, replace with whatever you want. I am keeping standard 3000. Then item and data, some data. Then this message will be flashed when I execute the program of React. Hello from FastAPI Sanjay Mahajan. Now I will execute the backend part first. Yes, backend executed. Now we'll go to React. So main app file. So here we have backend part fetching and replace in this thing. So now I will execute the program. I have executed the backend part. Now front end part. Yes, so it is clearly displayed React app with hello from FastAPI Sanjay Mahajan. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos with FastAPI and React.js, if possible Flask with React.js, if possible Django with React.js, and many more creative videos on Python, and if possible non-stack, full stack. So lot of things are going in mind. So keep watching my channel on youtube.com for latest update about web development, Python, Node.js, React.js. So thanks for watching.